This is a video that will be reaction and description of an anime. The anime is Eminence in the Shadow, Season 2, Episode 10. The reaction is now going to commence. No. Yeah. Of course. It's going to look something like yep. See, she's just gonna fall more in love with him somehow. Ep10. This is teaser, not real. Oh?
A few minutes later.
Right. Oh, kinda good. Sure. Of course. Are you sure? Yeah, I see it. Of course, I mean, I'm certain that they're not saying that, but yeah. Are you gonna make a mistake though? He's gonna steal. Yeah. Of course. How can they not see it? How can they not? Oh? Oh, he stole. Oh, interesting. Why did he steal that? Who are you? Oh. Yeah. Okay. I wonder though, what's up with this girl? Do you know her? Swim content. Of course you are.
Eventually.
Yeah, that's a good question. Oh. Oh, interesting. Why do you detest her? Right. And then she took the life of her father. Yeah, totally her fault. Sure. Yeah, of course. Yeah. I mean, you literally went down so he can look down at you, but anyway. Sid, I don't think you're doing a good job as a mob, to be fair, a lot of the time. Because being so chill at the face of something like this. Right. Yeah, sure you are. This man. Delusion!
6 hours later.
Ah, there is Sid. Oh. Really now? What? Oh my. The name continues to exist. Stop it, he said. You're distracting me. I don't think you're talking about the same day. Well, actually, shockingly, yeah, I'm surprised. That line actually worked in his mind as well. I must mention it whenever it happens. Just a single line worked remotely. And by that I mean, anyway, I can talk about it in a discussion. I hope I remember. Will she figure it out? I doubt it. Oh, Sid, you son of... Right. Okay. Sure. Yep. I can't believe that Sid is actually being genuine, but not for the reason she knows. Wait, Sid, what did you just do? Wait, did he finally? Okay, maybe. Okay. Oh. Interesting. Wow, the mother is trash. Okay. Now, Sid, do you know the truth? Oh? Good question. Huh. So what are you gonna do though? I'm kinda confused, Sid. Oh my, sorry, what's happening?
まさか最初の遺跡にレーナ王妃を連れてくるとはね。あの二人を合わせたのは私たち七影のミス。
Of course.
そうつくつもりはなかったけど、知らずに終わらせてあげたかった。
Right, right. Interesting.
さすがイプシロン。やっぱ風呂上がりにはコーヒー牛乳だよね。
光栄です。
Oh. Sure.
昔言ったが新しいマッサージ機の実験とか。
Right, right.
食はどうだ。ド M 血圧。
This name is never gonna get old. I hope Barba's hat lives as long as Sid. No. But at least one more season, come on. Do it.
継承の指輪は常に私が肌身離さずに。ならばよ。
Uh-huh, of course it doesn't. By the way, who's talking? I probably could figure it out if I pay more attention.
老害が鍵ローズ王女王国
Yeah, sure they are.
シャドウガーデン何するもの
Too late.
M どこ？ド M。
Oh, he sleeps with the queen.
女というのはどしがたい
Haha, of course. So he wants mother and daughter, of course he does. Mm-hmm. That seemed unsurprising to me. I'm actually gonna try to speedrun this discussion a little tiny bit. Mostly because I kinda just wanna watch the next episode. Oh, I'm not gonna be repeating my usual praise. What's happening with the plot currently? I'm not shocked that Rose's mother is such a piece of trash, let's just leave it at that and be polite, I suppose, but yeah, not shocking, not even remotely. It was clear that she was into being there. She was bored whenever she talked with everyone. It seems like she genuinely doesn't care about her daughter, even remotely, I suppose, which, yeah, good to know. Or maybe she's fine with poor Vasat actually having daughter and mother as well, which, okay, sure. Yeah, Mother of the Year, great. Yeah, that's all I can say. I don't know what's gonna be happening, but you know what? I'm excited. I do love that Sid did his usual stuff. Anything else that's surprising? Nope, not really. Yandere girl, that's the one thing I'm kind of confused on. Interesting that they've mentioned that she's the only other person that's ever been given her powers directly from Sid. I'm curious what they're gonna be doing with that, because is she actually gonna be important just like Rose? Because Rose obviously has her own plotline. She's basically, I would say, I mean, she's kind of more relevant than some of the Seven Shadows. Alpha, I would say, is kind of an exception. But she definitely has gotten more screen time than the rest. So I guess the Seven Shadows will probably get more in the future. And I assume this, whoever this pink-haired girl is, I wonder how she got her powers. Did they show it? Did I not remember? Very possible, to be fair. But yeah, I am genuinely excited. And as I said, I'm watching the next one literally right now. So there is a direct search on there, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did.